Good morning. Today we will make some peanut butter at home. So we fried it already. You can make it with raw, but it tastes, tastes actually so, let's say. But you need a really good blender for that. I mean, like, really powerful. Well, so if you have a blender at home, you can do like fruit shakes, milkshakes, smoothies, I don't know, a lot of different kind of stuff, mayonnaise, condensed milk, whatever. So it depends what you use, what kind of peanuts, but this one a little bit dry, so you can add a little bit of oil, a little bit of water or whatever. So we have like kind of crunchy peanut butter. A little bit dry, you can add some butter or whatever. I can make experiments. Also done some experiments. I mix it with a banana, with the mangoes, with other stuff. Well, it tastes a bit strange, but you can make your own experiments. But it's natural, it's no preservatives. I don't know. It's not genetic modified products as well, so you can do a lot of your favorite stuff at home. So easily.